Want to replace the rear lip of the car? First remove the screws that hold it in place. Second thing, you need to use a little strength to take it out. Third thing, take off the tailpipe. Now we have the old rear lip off, in one piece. Now let's install the new one. The first thing to do when installing the new rear lip was to put the new tailpipe on, which was a very simple process. We just need to get the new tailpipe in place and screw it in place. Then it was time to install the new rear lip on with a little care. After finding the right position, we need to start the installation from one side of the rear lip. Either the left or the right side is fine, but don't start in the center, as this may make the rear lip sit in the wrong place, and thus the new rear lip will not fit. After reconfirming that it's in the right place and initially mounted on, you can tap the rear lip to the bumper connection with the slab of your hand to make sure all the snaps are fully seated. In the last step, after confirming that the rear lip fits the bumper perfectly, tighten the fixing screws. Show that our rear lip installation is complete.